Dara Shikoh was killed in conflict with his brother blank. Answer is option D, Aurangzeb. The later Mughal king, popularly known as Shah-e-Bekhabar, the heedless king, was blank. Answer is option B, Bahadur Shah. Who among the following issued Mehzarnama in 1579? Answer is option C, Akbar. During the reign of which of the following Mughal emperors was the Sikh leader Banda Singh Bahadur captured and executed? Answer is option B, Farrukh Siyar. Mirza Hakim was the half brother of which of these Mughal emperors? Answer is option A, Akbar. Who was appointed as the governor of Bengal in around 1664 by Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb? Answer is option D, Shaista Khan. Who abolished Tuladan and Jharokha Darshan? Answer is option B, Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb imposed a religious tax called on all non-Muslims in his kingdom. Answer is option A, Jizya. The tomb of the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb is located in which of the following place? Answer is option C, Daulatabad. What is the full name of Aurangzeb? Answer is option B, Muinuddin Muhammad Aurangzeb. The battle of Dharmat was fought between which of the following rulers? Answer is option D, Aurangzeb and Dara Shikoh. Who was the ruler of Golconda when Aurangzeb seized the fort of Golconda in 1687? Answer is option C, Abul Hasan Qutb Shah. The blank was called the Prime Minister under the rule of the third Mughal Emperor. Answer is option B, Wakil. Which Mughal Emperor abolished the old custom of Sijda? Answer is option D, Shah Jahan. Which of the following emperors reimposed the pilgrim tax? Answer is option B, Aurangzeb. Who had led a deputation of Banaras Pandits before the Mughal Emperor to seek the abolition of pilgrim tax on Banaras and Allahabad? Answer is option A, Kavindracharya. Which of the following was the motive behind Shah Jahan's bulk campaign? Answer is option A, secure a friendly ruler in Balkh and Badakhshan which bordered Kabul. Who among the following was associated with the Mughal court as a physician to Prince Dara Shikoh? Answer is option C, Francois Bernier. Who built the Moti Masjid in Red Fort at Delhi? Answer is option D, Aurangzeb. Shalimar Garden located in Lahore, Pakistan was built by which Mughal emperor? Answer is option B, Shah Jahan. Around which year did the construction of Taj Mahal complex begin? Answer is option D, 1632 AD. Who was the architect of Taj Mahal? Answer is option B, Ustad Ahmad Lahori. The Taj Mahal is called Dream in marble. Which monument is called Dream in stone? Answer is option A, the Panch Mahal. Which one of the following presented Kohinoor diamond to Shah Jahan? Answer is option C, Muhammad Sayyid Mir Jumla. The noble who introduced important reforms in the land revenue administration of Mughals in Deccan during the reign of Shah Jahan was. Answer is option B, Murshid Quli Khan. Mughal Emperor blank permitted the English East India Company to establish their factory in 1613 at Surat. Answer is option A, Jahangir. Who discovered the method of extracting perfume from rose? Answer is option C, Noor Jahan's mother Asmat Begum. Who among the following rulers issued some coins with figures of Rama and Sita? Devanagari legend Ramasya. Answer is option A, Akbar. Which of the following Mughal emperors introduced educational reforms? Answer is option C, Akbar. Who among the following Mughal emperors shifted emphasis from illustrated manuscripts to album and individual portrait? Answer is option B, Jahangir. Todarmal is associated with the revenue system known as. Answer is option D, Jabti. Who were the chief painters of the Hamzanama under Akbar's order? Answer is option D, Sayyid Ali and Abdul Samad. Who translated Ramayana into Persian in accordance with the wishes of Akbar? Answer is option B, Abdul Qadir Badayuni. The city of Prayag was named Allahabad, the city of Allah by. Answer is option D, Akbar. Which among the following Mughal emperor was illiterate? Answer is option B, Akbar. Akbar's tomb is located at which of the following places? Answer is option A, Sikandara. When did Humayun attack Chunar Fort for the first time? Answer is option A, 1532 AD. Who defeated Humayun in the Battle of Kannauj in 1540 AD? Answer is option C, Sher Shah Suri. Who constructed Humayun's tomb in Delhi? Answer is option A, Haji Begum. Which of the following rulers introduced the measurement of land? Answer is option B, Sher Shah Suri. Which Hindu state was mentioned by Babur in his Babarnama? Answer is option D, Mewar. Which of the following Mughal emperor's tomb is outside India? Answer is option D, Jahangir. Dara Shikoh finally lost the war of succession to Aurangzeb in which of the following battles? Answer is option C, Battle of Devrai. Which European traveler came to India during the reign of Aurangzeb? Answer is option A, Antonio Monserrat. To whom Aurangzeb bestowed upon the title of Sahibat-uz-Zamani? Answer is option C, Jahan Ara. Who illustrated Dastan-e-Amir Hamza? Answer is option A, Abdus Samad.